Welcome to an institution where value is the absolute inspiration. It was built with the intention of enabling engineering personnel of international caliber. Is part of a group with 14 institutions, 30,000 students, 2,000 faculty and more than 45 disciplines that prepare students through the vision of excellence. Welcome to Malla Reddy Engineering College, MREC, which was established in 2002. Located in a green expanse of 150 acres at the serene and sylvan suburb of Dolapalli, amidst AP Forest Academy, the campus of MREC breeds new ideas and creativity to flourish. Under the inspiring leadership of Sri C.H. Malla Reddy, and more than a decade later, the visionary institution has grown manifold in terms of infrastructure, pedagogy, research, internal outlook, industry liaisons, placements, and phenomenal performance. As a matter of immense pride, it is also among the most prestigious colleges and has achieved significant milestones in such a short span of time. From accreditation by NBA, AICTE in 2008, by NAEC with an A grade and permanent affiliation by JNTU Hyderabad in 2010, and conferred autonomous status from JNTU in 2011, to recognition by UGC in 2013, conferment of UGC Autonomous in 2014, and ranked AAA among India's best engineering colleges 2014 by Careers 360. MREC is now totally focused on attaining the goal of deemed technological university soon. Also notable are innovative development programs which enable faculty and the students to stay connected with the global world of technology. Student to faculty ratio. The highly experienced faculty, constituting educators from apex academic institutions and reputed R&D organizations, enable stimulating learning environment beyond the lecture hall while developing strong human values and business etiquettes. An integrated infrastructure is the backbone of any efficient learning system. At MREC, the learning experience is enriched through appropriate infrastructural and research facilities, as well as modern teaching aids that are second to none. The main objective of MREC Library is to play an effective role by contributing to the quality of the technical education imparted in the institute. It supports the teaching, research and learning mission of the institute by providing open access to the broadest possible range of ideas, opinions and knowledge. The college provides excellent sports and games facilities to encourage the students for world-class training to participate at the university, state and national level tournaments. The students have brought laurels by winning titles in cricket, football, volleyball, basketball, chess and boxing. Facilities for the following games and sports are available: table tennis, carom, chess, volleyball, football, basketball, badminton and cricket. International standard sports stadium with 10,000 seating is under development. The laurels earned in recent times include gold medal winner in 3rd All India Open Karate Championship 2013 held at Goa, first place in National Chess Boxing Championship at Kolkata, victorious in the basketball tournament at the national level Techno Cultural Fest held at Siaba Technical Campus in 2013 and first position in the state level intercollegiate cricket tournament League 2 conducted by Saint Engineering College, Ibrahimpatnam. A state-of-the-art computer lab equipped with highly advanced personal computers with advanced software applications assists the students in their learning journey. The modern, hygienic and eco-friendly hostels that are separate for girls and boys are located in the campus itself for the convenience of the students. They are also equipped with library, computers with internet, gym and yoga facilities to enhance the stay experience. Started in 2005, the dedicated training and placement cell is a step in the direction of advancing the careers of students as well as to develop and strengthen the relationship with the corporate world. Through this cell, the graduate students have been successfully placed in several prestigious organizations.